Alright guys, got a problem on the 2012 Santa Fe. Hopefully it's nothing major. I've got a habit of resting my hand on the gear shift knob, and I've noticed recently, right when I start to slow down the vehicle, right before 0 miles per hour, and probably around 1 or 2 miles per hour, you'll hear a clicking noise well, I can hear it and I can definitely feel it coming from the gear shift. I don't know what it is, making me a little nervous. So I'll try to capture it on sound so you can hear it. From then on, hopefully you guys can send me a PM, let me know what it is, or shoot a message right below here. It'd be great. But I'll go ahead and I'll try to duplicate it right about now. And I'll loop it. Okay? So I'll be traveling here in a few minutes, and then I'll be slowing down, and hopefully you can hear it. Okay, so I'm going about 10 miles an hour. I'm going to go ahead and pull into this parking lot. And I'll be slowing down here in a second, and hopefully you can hear it. Okay? And I'll let you guys know when to listen for it. Right there. So I'll loop it, and hopefully you guys can hear it, okay? Right there. Right there.